Hello and welcome to VLearn. This is session 9 of Marketing of Services, Financial Service. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Buyer's Behavior for the Financial Service, Branding of Financial Product, Channels for Distribution of Bank, Price of Banking Product and Services, Promotions of Banking Product and Services, Insurance. Introduction. Financial service market plays a prominent role in mobilization of saving from all the quarters of economic for useful inputs and for necessary formulation and implementation of the various policies. In terms of अगर हम फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की बात करें तो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज बहुत ही बड़ा रोल प्ले करती हैं हमारी किसी भी तरीके की सर्विसेज को यूटिलाइज करने में. And yes, at the same time, this facilitates the liquidity management in the conscience with the microeconomic and environment. In terms of अगर हम economic point of view से बात करें, so yes, this is what the kind of a facilitating the liquidities in the management. The product development innovations of financial product interestingly required very little or the non-additional investment. अगर बात की जाए किसी भी तरीके की product development की किसी भी innovation की, so we always require a certain kind of finance and yes investment. But the downside is that not brand cannot boast of the unique selling price for long. So in that case it is worth again whether you want to start up a new business or you want to hold down the existing business, you always require a certain kind of business policies or financial policies and financial concept. Following is a list of some typical financial products which are available in the market. These products are like saving and recruiting account, current account, fixed deposit and retail loan products. If we talk about the buyer's behavior for the financial service, so in buyer's behavior in the financial services that like in terms of incomes, or we can say that in the manner the consumers behave towards the finances against the buyer behavior for the financial services. A firm marketing efforts interact with the non-commercial sources of the information to stimulate the purchase decision process. This is what they were mainly towards the bringing out the efforts of bringing out the informations to stimulate the purchase decision process. This process is tempered by the individual influences on the consumer behavior, including motivation, personality, learning and perception. These all things are actually affected by the behavior, because if we were talking about the consumer behavior is mainly linking towards motivating them, mainly linking towards the personalities, mainly looking towards the learning and perceptions of the consumers. According to that motivation, personality, learning and perception, the behavior is developed towards a financial service. So in that case the process stopped when the consumer lost the interest in evaluating of the product. That's very obvious and stated in the every circumstances. If the individual stop and didn't have any kind of interest or they stop liking your product, so in that case yes, it never be happened any kind of a purchase. एक कंपनी के लिए किसी भी तरीके की परचेज उस केस में मुश्किल हो जाती है. So in that case yes, there were the few kinds of things to be considered while discussing about the buyer's behavior. The first things to be considered is individual influence on the consumer behavior. एक individual का क्या influence होता है कि consumer behavior, because we are stating that yes, financial market is affected by the behavior of the consumer, because ultimately the consumer is buying that product after getting the knowledge about the finance, and yes, at the same time getting the appropriate behavior. So in that terms the efforts of all the marketing is to influence the people buying behavior, but it is difficult to foresee the success of planned marketing program. Because human beings are all individuals. So in terms of yes, it is affected by the influencing, it is affected by the different marketing behaviors and different marketing concept, what kind of a success company have, what they were actually looking in the future, what kind of techniques they were used to satisfy their customer. These are the concept which is always arise in the consumer's mind, individual mind. This individual will probably get their own thoughts and own plans according to that particular product. So each behaves differently, thereby making the mass communication behavior pattern. So in that case, yes, being in an individual, every individual behave in the different terms, every individual behave in the different sense. To further complicate the marketer's goals of influencing the consumer behavior, consider these observations. There were the three considerations to be taken care. First is what the people attitude, belief, preferences, and changes in terms of how people was actually reacting, how people was getting. Giving you the behavior, giving you the preferences, giving you the attitude. Second is individual behavior is consistent, and yes, the difficult to predict from the one day to the next. In terms of this is what the individual technique or individual concept, which actually lead you towards the difficulty of the concept. Another is people are often unable to explain their own behavior. Somewhere, somehow, yes, consumers are not willing to give their explanation, not willing to explain their own behavior. That terms would also lead to the we can say that the consideration or observation part. Another is, if we were talking about the individual influence, another is the family influence. Family influence is basically stating that we are aware as to how our needs and expectation changes over the different stage of our life cycle. different needs होती हैं, different financial conditions होती हैं life cycle के अंदर. Family life cycle में when the person is on the elder age, the spending power is different. When person is on the mature, we can say that adult or the maturity stage, having a family with all, so in that case उसकी spending power उतनी ही different हो जाती है. And these are what the expecting about the income factor. Then this is mainly what we are aware of as how our needs and expectation changes over the different stages of life cycle. The priorities as a teenager and young adult or a family man are very different. So the family life cycle was developed in 1960s and was based on the material status, the number in the age of children, and worker status and ages. So in that case, yes, they were these stages, and this is what as the life cycle have enough 5 stages. So that is what the family life cycle have. सबसे पहला है the young bachelor stage. Young bachelor stage is what the person who were young enough to bringing out that enthusiasm, to bringing out those factors who lead the organization. Another is fullness one. Fullness one is the bringing out the bigger family, whether that is the one member of the family comes into a picture. Fullness 2 is again second member come into a picture. Another is emptiness, when the children of that particular person leave the home and they have their own family. Another is solitary survivor stage, which is the kind of a person, individual survivor stage. So these are what the kind of in a family life cycle stages over performed by the person, and according to that only the financial services are affected. So yes, these are the stages and family financial situation and banking needs. So in that case, these are what we can understand that what kind of banking services are there, और किस तरीके से एक आप कैसे अप्रोच कर सकते हैं एक सर्विस को विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन. अगर यंग बैचलर स्टेज है तो यस देवर कोई फाइनेंशियल बर्डन नहीं होगा. Per capita income according to that is very high, and yes, at the same time income as compared to the future perspective also, but otherwise it's like high per capita income. And in that case, banking needs would be providing them credit cards. We can say that the auto loans, low cost banking services would be there. Another is fullness one. Fullness one is a married man and having a young child. In that case, home being a priority first. Another is liquidity low, and we have a working couple situation. बैंक किस तरीके की नीड्स उसमें ऑफर करता है. मॉर्गेज, क्रेडिट कार्ड फैसिलिटी वुड बी देयर, overdraft, saving account, housing, durable loans. So these kind of services are provided. In fullness second, older married and older dependent children. So in that case, income stabilized है, good financial position है, mid career है, comfortable position, money involvement है. But yes, in terms of bank, try to offer the home improvement loan, equity investment, certificate of deposits, money market, deposit account, fixed and fixed flexi deposit, another is investment services, another is emptiness. Emptiness is kind of the older couple with the children now not living at the home. They may be retired, so in that terms they were significantly reduced income. They didn't require as much high income as they required in the young bachelor stage. So in that case, yes, this is what the social security they were looking for. And yes, at the same time, few loan services and health insurance services would they require. So that comes into the financial influence of buyers behavior. different buyers की डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस होती हैं फैमिली की, उसमें वो उसकी फाइनेंशियल नीड्स अलग हो जाती हैं. नाउ अनदर इज ब्रांडिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट. किसी भी तरीके से फाइनेंशियल बेसिस पे ब्रांडिंग करनी हो, सो हाउ इट कुड बी डन इन द concept. सबसे पहले है branding, which is the major input in the marketing strategy of the commercial product. It can be successfully used in the market of financial service too. So brand is the broader term that include the practical and all means of identifying a product, and brand is often a two type. So that individual bargaining, which is one time affair, or the umbrella branding, and another is the particular of a label more than the one product with the single brand name. In terms of this is what we all know that branding is very much necessary. Without brand a company market में obviously नहीं exist कर सकती. It is required to have that brand. If brand is required in the tangible product, like it could be any tangible product, अगर हमें किसी भी तरीके की tangible product में brand का चाहिए होता है, तो why not in the service? We also required a brand in the service market. Who are providing the best services, who are providing the best concepts, they were using the best concepts, so that they actually brand is actually managed in that terms. So in that case, branding is required in the service marketing. That is what the branding is often two type. One is individual brand. Individual brand is all about when the companies have the product and they launch the product as the individual product and individual brand. There was no similarity between that company's brand name and the product brand name. Another is the umbrella brand. Umbrella branding is all about when the company was combining and giving we can say that the combining all the product in one name. If I buy any kind of a product, I name the product, with my initial, with my name, with my logo. So that comes into the umbrella branding. So the concept of branding is yes important. So what are the importance? The first one is the brands commands the customer loyalty for the product. Customer loyalty को ज़्यादा appreciate किया जाता है. कस्टमर लॉयल्टी होने में बड़ी मदद करती है. Each brand has in a consumers a franchisee which can be used its advantages. बहुत सारी कंज्यूमर फ्रेंचाइजीज होती हैं, उस केस में एडवांटेजेस बहुत सारे होते हैं. Another is financial product aim to attract the investors to bring his saving into their marketing in terms of it's bringing out the attractive areas, attractive services, attractive part to save them, to utilize them. Then other this is quite of the delicate task because inventory money is involved in terms of yes, this is what the financial money was involved. One of the considerable matters. In that case, it is what to desire to delegate this task to the particular investors who are taking care of all these clauses. In that case, yes, a successful brand will be demanded by the consumers only, and even if the prices are slightly higher or better. So in that terms, yes, trust is a key element. If the people are expected to part with their money, अगर वो अपने एक मनी को किस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना है, मनी को किस तरीके से अडॉप्ट करना है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, that comes into that is what the utilizing the money for the purposes. And then another is the good name evokes that the trust and gives the inventories confident that their money will be safe in terms of they were bringing out the safety, bringing out the securities that yes, the money is saved and money is not going or harming or it is basically helping into utilizing or bringing out the another investment. So this is what the another role in that terms. Another is branding was basically umbrellas branding and helping consumers to decide whether to the buyer a product when the new product quality cannot be determined prior to purchase. In terms of if you this is what giving or bringing out the umbrella branding in terms of आप जो भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं उसे अपनी ही ब्रांड में इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. So in that case it is what deciding upon the buying of a product. So in that, yes, it is again another crucial one to be considered as branding exercise, and the brand name should be clauses, or we can say that it should be initial or having a certain meaning in terms of it is one of the person the considerable factors would be there. अगर आप किसी भी सर्विसेज से रिलेटेड उसका ब्रांड नेम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं, it should be considerable. It should be considerable in terms of that first it should suggest something about the product benefits and quality, and probably, and second it should be decided to prominence, recognition in others, and then and the another one is it should be distinctive. Next is channel of distribution for the bank. If we are talking about the banks or the financial services which the bank was actually issuing to another, is what kind of a channel of distribution a bank can do. So in that case, yes, channel of distribution is the financial services which is performed by the, we all know that yes, in the marketing it is one of the required services to be done in a very appropriate manner. So in that case, yes, sales and offer of the services and product as well as the advertising customers are there, कि आप किस तरीके की सेल कर रहे हैं अपने कस्टमर्स को, क्या सर्विस ऑफर कर रहे हैं, क्या प्रोडक्ट ऑफर कर रहे हैं अपने कस्टमर्स को. Another is the contract and liaison with the advertising and public relation agencies to assist in designing more effective advertising. That means advertising promotion campaigning. In terms of it is what bringing out the advertising publicity kind of a thing. Yes, this is what, because in terms of if we are talking about the banks is in the one place, and when it comes to the distribution, the customer has to come into that to the bank area, to the bank place. In that terms, yes, that's very obvious. We require promotions, we require any kind of we can say that the bring out the public relationship, advertising them, giving them information, bringing out the proper marketing activity, strategic decisions बनाने ताकि उसके adoptions हो, advice करना, to bringing out how to bring out the better customers को inform करके, links बना के, networks बना के, members बना के, इस तरीके से एक channel distribution bank possible है. So in that case, yes, this is what to. Another is the branch network. Branch network is where the bank's major distribution outlets are their branches. जितने भी एक ज़्यादा अच्छे profit generation very important areas होते हैं जहाँ पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा maximum profit generate होता है. These are what the major areas or major outlet. So in that terms, yes, in the branch network, the design and development of the branch network will be affected by. So that बहुत सी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. सबसे पहले the characteristics of a product, that is to define the characteristics of product, कि product exactly किस तरीके का है. So that's coming into जिसके basis पर आप सारी information provider को देने वाले हैं. And another is customer needs in terms of what kind of a customer need a person have, what kind of an need they actually consider. Then another is environmental factor. Environmental factor is what is to bring in the environmental concept and environmental factors which actually influence, which actually affect the product. Another is competitors. Competitors finally bringing out the competition in the market. Yes, there were certain advantages also. These are what the industrial market network. We can say that yes, इसकी क्या एडवांटेज है इसके नेटवर्क के. सबसे पहले accessible है, कस्टमर्स के लिए अलग अलग एरियाज में जा सकते हैं, सर्विस अपना काम करा सकते हैं बैंक सेक्टर में. It's keep in a bank name in the public eye, to bring the awareness or bringing in certain kind of promotional techniques in the product. So that would lead, that automatically lead towards the public eye to that recognition would be there. Another is the prime seats. Prime seats is what the prime effective part in that service. Being become accepted as an important member of the community in that case also. What was the disadvantage in that case? सबसे पहले yes, it is a very costly process. Staff cost would be there, and major investment involved the amount of a capital tried it up. Staff cost बहुत ज़्यादा है, costing बहुत ज़्यादा है, time बहुत ज़्यादा है, amount of getting out the benefit that is again very low in terms of old fashioned हो गया है, it could difficulty to modernize that, को पूरा change करना पड़ेगा. Small branches can also be difficult to enlarge the service, and expansions is basically necessary. So in that case, yes, there were certain rules and functions also of the service marketing continue to be grow. So the first thing is to market fails into the two broader market. Market is actually divided into the two broader market, and then the mass market would be there. Just like two broader market could be one of the we can say that there was a two broader categories. में सबसे पहला है the mass market. Mass market is again overall market. बड़ी market जो होती है they will mass market. Apart from that market, mass market, another is the corporate market. Corporate market is all about when the company has to deal with the corporates only, business and firms only. Internet banking. Internet banking is what it is comes into a picture in an Altana based service bank is one of the first international bank to go operations of on the internet की operations में गए थे, जिन्होंने सबसे पहले एक इंटरनेट का कॉन्सेप्ट राइज किया था to help in the bank. Another is the internet banking is the service being emphasized by the Indian banking. It is what thinking about the transactions of what kind of a transaction was going to be done in the account, in the exchange of message with the officer concern in the bank through the mailbox. Another request for the fund transfer in business between the accounting issues. And yes, at the same this is what bringing out the transferring the accounts and transferring the checkbooks and mail. These kind of two transactions already occurs. Another is yes, how connectivity providing the customer with the ability to directly debit or credit the account without the bank's intervention. अगर आप किसी भी तरीके की बैंक interventions कर रहे हो तो it is always required a certain kind of factors to generate, whether it's through the debit or through the credit. Another is pricing of the parking product and services. It is what the pricing can be statistically used as in a tool means reduce the competition. That's very obvious. अगर strategy perfect है, pricing कम से कम है, so automatically उस case में your customer is more towards your side. And then another is the producing the effects, the product cost, and yes, price affect the product cost and also play a very important role in the decision making. It is actually affected and yes considered in the proper decision making. And then price is affected by the competition, seasonal and general trends to demand and supply, just to bringing out the proper demand and supply. Then price is again the eye of a consumer is individually in the total product offering, which include the brand name, packaging, product benefits, service delivery, credit card, etc. That is what the price in the consumer's eyes कि वो क्या name है, क्या package है, क्या किस तरीके से सर्विस को डिलीवर करता है, क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी क्या करता है, वो सारी चीज़ें. देन इसके अलावा price can be defined as in the money value of the product and services, as the exchange process or the value process would be there, so that would be considered upon the service agree upon in the market में वो agree करते हैं कि yes they will actually transaction या transact all that factors. That's in that case price is what the sum of expectation plus satisfaction. What are the pricing objective? Growth in sale. Growth in sale in terms of key. You have to increase the growth in sale. Another is the market share. Market share is what bringing out the perfect market share for the market, and yes, at the same time the competition. It is what the checking out the level of competition, that kitna level है and किस तरीके का है, and then corporate objective. Corporate objective is all about bringing out the corporate factors and the corporate objectives कि क्या objective वो actually fulfill करना चाहते हैं. Then pricing method. Pricing methods are very obvious. Pricing method 3 तरीके के होते हैं: market based pricing, cost based pricing and competition relative pricing strategy. अगर हम market based pricing की बात करते हैं, so yes, revised value pricing, psychological pricing, promotional pricing, and yes, at the same time skimming would be the market based, जहाँ पर हम किसी भी तरीके की स्टडी करने से पहले अपने मार्केट को देखते हैं. सो इन दैट केस इस मार्केट को जब आप चेक करेंगे तो उसी के हिसाब से आप प्राइसिंग चेक करेंगे, एंड देन यू कम टू नो कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एन प्रोडक्ट or what kind of a service is going to be available in the certain price. So in that case, this is what the marketing basis make. Then next is the consumer based pricing. Consumer based pricing is add upon on the add the values in the particular cost. This is the cost based pricing. This is what the standard cost pricing, cost plus pricing, break even analysis, managerial pricing. These are the factors to be considered in the cost based pricing. Then another is competition related pricing strategy. It is what the bringing out the perfect competition in the market just to eliminate the monopolistic trade practices. So another is the payment of the money, product and services. किस तरीके से payments किए जाते हैं. So promotion is a generic item and used for the communication efforts of the firm, and they are directed towards the achieving the objectives of a marketing result. In terms of it is what the bringing out the proper generic terms लेना. That means whatever the price you were charging, whatever the cost you were being in a company taking from the consumer, it should be required to be very much accurate enough, not overpriced or underpriced. So in that case, yes, advertising, sale promotions, personal selling, publicity, banks, this is not as such important or as such the considerable part. So in that case, the promotion, or we can say that promotion effect includes the marketing communication thought in terms of advertising, sale promotion, personal selling and publicity. What are the advertising measures? सबसे पहले the users measure. That means how many users are actually using your product. That could be happening with the help of advertising. Is the measuring recalls in terms of what reorganizing or resetting up all the things. Is the psychological measurement. Psychological measurement is all related to the buyers and buyers' philosophies, attitude and beliefs. And another is the attitude measure. Attitude measure is a kind of, again, the factor to be considered that why I should go for that particular brand or why should I leave it. Another is measuring the awareness. You have to bringing out the proper awareness in the market. Then sale promotion. Yes, sale promotion is again a very important tool in terms of it is what bringing out the getting the sale through the sale executive. Sale executive से जो sale कराना होता है, that is what the sale promotion is. So in that case, product knowledge, market knowledge, market information, marketing research and customers, and person selling. These are the factors to be considered in the sales promotion. Now, what is publicity? Publicity is what basically a quality of being in a public, the condition of the fact being open of the public observations of the knowledge, because the public is those area who can communicate very freely and can say about the positive and negative about goods and service, and public can be agreed in or the bad with the higher customer services, which is actually expected. The expectations and perceptions of the various consumer councils are basically rises, like consumer expectation भी rise हो जाती है, and yes, at the same time the sellers expectations would be high in that publicity concept. Integral communication is what in order to supplement such external channel communication measures. Most of the banks also have an international measures, and most of the factors of the communication comes into a picture. That means how an organization is actually going to be communicate, किस तरीके से वो communicate कर रहे हैं, किस तरीके से वो actually perform करेंगे. Then another is the expectation part. Expectation of CDMA are basically discussing about the respect of the corporate goals of using that past data in communication. Then insurance is again the kind of consideration thing why it is required in marketing services. It is one of the important sector in the market services which usually have to deal with the insurance core product insurance, but yes, at the same time for the profit providing them the certificate. So insurance services is what of the finding the marketing in that terms there are the numerous scope to explore the potentials market and rise the per capita life premium, and the need of the marketing insurance services also arises due to the certain factor. So not the scope of the growth of marketing insurance services would be very considering into terms of key what kind of marketing insurance a company going to be looked forward, किस तरीके से वो अपनी इंश्योरेंस ले रही है आगे, वो फर्दर किस तरीके की मैनिपुलेशंस करवाना चाहती है. Then strategies for the effective marketing, किस तरीके की strategies तैयार होती हैं effective marketing के लिए. The first one is the strategies for the effective marketing is what the selling of the new services are different from the goods in that. So they are sold before production and consumption take place. So किसी भी तरह की consumption या production and consumption take place होती है. So this is what the source of effective marketing, and we can say that the one of the strategy for that. And when the goods are purchased, then it would sold and consumed. So goods are purchased in that terms. So services also have a particular characteristics such as their intangibility and variability, where they are difficult to standardize in terms of कि इस तरीके के workers होने चाहिए, इस तरीके के particular characteristics होने चाहिए organization में, depending on the availability, validity for the organization, bringing the intangibilities and the standardization, and they make it more difficult for the consumers to evaluate them. Another is strategy for the effective marketing. किस तरीके की strategy होती है अगर एक effective marketing होती है. सबसे पहले awareness of the damage के बारे में बताया जाता है. Then product knowledge will be given to that person. After that getting it to this is what the stage पर एक effective communication शुरू होती है. The ability of the convince is a kind of that person is actually looking or getting the convincing power from the supplier side. That is what they add in a convince power. Another should be look like a customer centric in terms of that marketers are thinking about the customer's benefits, considering the customer benefits, and then that is why it's a consumer orientation. Another is save the right type of policy. That means setting the right factors of policies, creating the right set of policies. Then another is what are the role of other institute in marketing of insurance services. Role क्या है? सबसे पहला insurance selling and funds management are interrelated synergies with the entry of the competitive sectors with the who sophisticated technology and quality of services will improve significantly, and yet so is so the cost effective product. That means किस तरीके से आप corporate sector में enter हो रहे हो and किस तरीके की cost you were looking for. Then another is what to the regulation controlling measures by the industrial development areas would provide the protection to the investors. That means to bringing out the investment areas जहाँ पर एक investment हो सकती है product से related. So yes, there are few questions which you have to do it yourself. First is explain briefly the various method of pricing financial product. What are the pricing method to be considered? You have to define all the pricing method, what is formal, functional method, and then define the promotion. You have to finally define what is promotion. So yes, this is all about for the today's session. We are winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.